Our friends at Stamperia have done something really interesting. It's called an album organizer, but you know, that just doesn't really do it justice. Let me show you. This is a very heavy cardboard that is covered in white, both on the front and the back, of course. And look what's inside. These are elastic pieces that are buried inside here. You can't see them from the outside, so that really protects them. What can you do with that? Well, how about their stone paper notebook? You can do wonderful things to the front of it. You can use paints, stencils, papers, rice paper, anything you want. But then you just lift up the elastic, open up your notebook, and slide it in. And you can keep them that way. How very neat. You can do 4 at a time. So if you decide you want to maybe have one for maybe Christmas things, maybe one for household, you know, so forth, you can keep them all together in this wonderful little book that you can make your own. So great idea. Everything is the A6 size, so a little over 4 inches by 5 3/4 inches tall. Very sturdy, just waiting for you to add your creativity.